This is a battery spot welder. I found this one on Amazon. I need it for a small project. I have one battery that has one bed cell, and I needed something that I could connect the terminals really fast. So what do you get in the box? This is the unit itself. It charges via USB cord over here, so it plugs into a normal USB. It is very portable, and it's the smallest one, 5300 milliamps. So it was very affordable. It comes with two little probes. They are very rudimentary, but they do the job. Very thick cables, silicone cables. They come out of the unit directly. And then you have these little tips that are designed to make the welds. The unit turns on from this button. So right now I turned it off. Turns on and it flashes. So it remembers the last time I've been on power number 2. To change the power, you push this button, and now it's number 3. You see it flashes 3 times, and now it's in power 2. See, I'm gonna touch it. And it just makes a little bit like a spark, and that's it. And this is the type of a weld that it makes. So it's quite strong in number 2, but number 3 is really the best. Number 3 is really the best, but I've done this one with number 3, and it's rock solid for the battery. So this one doesn't come off. And you're ready for building your pack or fixing whatever you need to fix. Pretty cool. I enjoy it. It works nice for me.